Look at our room, Holly. We've got a little elephant.
Oh, look, Chloe, look what we got.
Woo! We got a little Hilton teddy bear with a lolly and the Swizzles shiver.
That's nice, isn't it?
Hello, Hilton teddy bear.
Teddy.
This is my teddy.
Hello.
He's a waiter.
Take him.
Look at mine.
Lovely.
And he is someone who works in the front desk.
Hello.
And we also got some water and with like some ice box. Ooh, we got some little snacks.
Oh, rainbow drops. Shall we go into our room?
Hello, I'm the chicken person.
Oh.
And Mummy and
We have
Daddy.
an elephant. An elephant and some hot chocolate. And
Some chocolate.
woo. Say happy birthday. Also got some complimentary water as well, still and sparkling. This is our king bed. I'll just take you into the bathroom. This is the bathroom with Crabtree and Evelyn toiletries and shower over the bath.
Hello. And this is our bathroom. Ta-da! The case of the way. And in here is
We
our
got
bathroom.
We
So
got a
like
shower.
So you got a bath in a shower
Look, Chloe, we got robes as well.
and safe for our iPad, obviously. You also we got some slippers. But what I'm thinking right now is let's turn the telly on. Holly, let's turn the telly on.
Ta-da! Watch TV.
The price, aren't you? So you're looking at the price, I'm looking
What?
at the maker
Let's
and
go
the
on
viewer.
to
Because underneath.
six.
Next up, swimming. Goggles on. Okay, next we've had a lovely sleep, but what we need is a really nice breakfast.
Good.
We've had a lovely stay here at the Hilton Reading. It's a great place for families.
And it's very close to Reading city centre and for Legoland Windsor, which is where we're going now.
Yeah.
Or brick or treat.
Da-da-da-da.
Dun, dun, dun. Bye, Hilton.